All right, here's the deal. At our self-service car wash, there's this sad, ugly septic well just sitting there, looking like it's given up on life. And to make it worse, it's right on a busy street, basically in full view. So, we're gonna give it a total makeover. The plan: brick it up into a taller retaining wall, right on the lid, give it a chunky top edge, frame it up nice, then slap on some cement with a reinforcing mesh. After that, boom, we'll turn it into something that looks like real stone. And on top, oh, we're going fancy. Wild stone, little plants, some gravel magic. It's gonna look like it belongs in a garden magazine. P.S. The sketch might look meh, but trust me, the final result is gonna blow your mind. Let's get to work.